I knew something wasn't right, but I didn't want to overreact. To my blind and partially sighted community, this is Linda speaking directly to camera. So, let's have a little story time, shall we? I was walking home one night. It was around 11 p.m. and something just felt off. Two men were directly behind me. Not close enough to panic, but not far enough to ignore. I remember thinking, am I overthinking this? So, I decided to call my mum, and I stayed on the phone the entire time, talking loudly and giving directions, making it clear that someone was expecting me. When I got close to home, I told her to meet me outside and meet me at the gate. The moment I did that, they kept walking. That night taught me something very important. Your instinct is there for a reason. You don't need proof to take action, and small decisions can change outcomes. That's exactly why I created Stay Safe, the everyday guide no one teaches you, because these type of situations happen more than people admit. Follow for more.